Good morning, good afternoon, welcome to Mickey and My Craft. This is Hilda, your host. Today we have an unboxing from a store on Amazon, Heijin Crochet. I'm trying to find kits that let me get familiar with amigurumi. So far the kits that I've found out has been practically a failure because the thing is they use chenille and you can hardly see the stitch. For people like me who has problem with the eyesight, you cannot use chenille because it's hard to find the stitch. Okay, so but before we unpack this, please hit the subscribe and the notification bell if you are new to this channel so you can get notified of all the videos. I have playlists of different craft on my channel because I love all crafts, so you know. I'm a jack of all trades, master of none, although I like crochet and diamond painting. But anyway, so if you are new to this channel, please hit the like and comment too, and subscribe, and to, you know, that will help the channel and will really greatly appreciate. So without further ado, let's go to this one. So this is from a store. I'm gonna try to post the link. This is from a store on Amazon. It's called Heijin, the store. This is how you spell it. But this kit is called Heijin Crochet. Okay? That's how I'm pronouncing it. I'm sorry if I'm pronouncing it wrong. But this is Heijin Crochet. And one of the things that I like is that it has the warning. The appropriate warning regarding the choking hazard and whatever, to use a direct supervision, and it tells you everything that includes the yarn, the stuffing, a 4mm crochet hook, knitting markers, yarn needle, plastic eye, scissors, step-by-step video instructions, and email help. Okay, scissors, this is the first time I hear about that. So this includes 6 animals, and this is for key rings, which is good, beginner's crochet kit. So let's see. I already broke the tape. Oh, I like this. This one doesn't have chenille. This is t-shirt yarn. This is good. And it has all the colors that you need. Take a look at this. This is way better for doing the amigurumis. Either chenille or acrylic. Okay, or cotton. Even cotton is better because you can wash the item. So here it is. It's mini skim. It's well labeled. Heijin Crochet. We got the pink, the orange. We got a big yellow, a big, the yellow is bigger than the brown. We got white, we got pink, light pink, we got dark pink, orange, and we got black. Okay? It looks like everything is nicely, oh, and the plastic eyes has the safety. It has, let's see if I can get this out of here. Nope. Let me get it out of here real quick. It has the key rings. So this is a good value. For $19, I think it's okay. Take a look at this. It tells you, here it is. You got the yarn needles, 2 of them. Okay, I'm gonna put them back inside. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 key rings with the attachment over here for the amigurumi keychain. This one I'm gonna try. This one definitely. I started one, but I haven't finished it. We got the stitch marker, like I don't have enough. Okay, you get 2, 4, 5 stitch markers. And look at the eyes, and have the safety, which is important, but you can put a little bit of glue on it so they won't come out. So you got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, enough for 6 amigurumis. Okay, 4, 3, 7, and 5, 12, and the 5 safety. That's good. That's good. That's good. This is a good value one, especially if you're new to amigurumis like me. I haven't been able to do anything. Right now I'm doing market bags. I'm creating a set, put it on Instagram and sell it. Okay, that's good. That came very well packed. Kudos. Oh, we got the 4mm hook, an ergonomic one. It tells you right over here. Oops, sorry. It's a 4mm hook. We got the scissors to cut. Oh, they cut good. They're good to cut the thread. You got this card that tells you okay, they have the tutorial, but they also have it for left-handed. This is neat to keep. They have the QR. We got over here 2, no 1, 2 packs of the polyfill. 2 packs. I don't know if you're able to see this. Okay. Nothing else in there. Okay. Here it is. Material pack, instructions. Here are the 6 animals that you will be doing, probably. Here is a QR for the each different animal that you're gonna make. If you want to start away, you can crochet along with the video. This tells you the level of difficulty, terminology, patterns, and techniques. This is a very compelling, better than the other books that I have seen. How to use the stitch markers. Tells you over here how to do the head, and in big letters, okay? Big letters. Head 2. It tells you for which animal is suitable, the ears. Here's 3, nose. Oh, I like this. How to hold the yarn. Tells you about the magic ring, the chain stitch, single crochet, the different stitches, how to finish a closed piece, how to add the safety eyes. You know what? I'm feeling like, let's do the tiger. I have the QR on my phone. And I want to finish, I want to do that. Hold on. The tiger, open link, Heijin. The tiger, Amigurumi Crochet tutorial. Okay, there is videos over here. Okay, tells you the video round 1. Let's
Alright, let's get started on crocheting the heads of the lion, tiger,
sorry about the
bear
light.
and piglet. They all use the same stitch pattern, so grab the yarn colors you need. I'm going to make the bear, so I'll use brown yarn. Make sure you have your crochet hook and 2 stitch markers ready to go. To start, open your left hand and face your palm towards you. Wrap the yarn around your little thumb, and then around your index finger from back to front. Pinch the yarn tail with your middle finger and thumb. That's how you hold the yarn in your hand. As for the crochet hook, just hold it like you normally would. We need to make a magic ring first. To do this, wrap the yarn around your middle and ring fingers, and then pinch your thumb where the yarn could.
It seems like they are very complete. Very complete. So I'm gonna try this. This one I definitely gonna try. The other ones I try, but I don't know. Let me show you what I was doing with one. I had to change the yarn because this one was from Temu, because the yarn was so how you say it, so this is so far what I have done. The yarn was so that I have to use, this is using acrylic. This is a fox. This is this one. This is DIY handicraft. So I have to finish it. This one. But I already put the, and I did the nose. Doesn't turn out to be too great, but I'm almost done with that one. All I have to do is the body, but I have to change. I have to use my acrylic yarn because definitely it wasn't working. I got this back for my amigurumi. As soon as I finish that one, I'm gonna do, but I'm not gonna tackle amigurumis right now because I'm in the process of finishing some back. So this is it. Thank you for watching. I'm gonna post the video, the link, I'm sorry, of the store. I'm gonna post the link of the store. Hold on, let me try to level this. Okay, so we can Here is the scissors, and here is and this. So we can work on this. I gotta work on this because I bought some books in Amazon regarding amigurumi because I wanted to do some to donate for children's in the children's hospital. Okay, so thank you for watching. Have a wonderful weekend. This kit costs $19.99, and I think that's a great value because you get everything and even more than you expected. You got even a scissors. So if you don't have a scissor and you're new, you got everything. So thank you for watching. Have a wonderful weekend. Don't forget to hug and kiss your fur baby from Mickey and I. Until the next time, much love and peace to all of you. Bye.